Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is your man Baru. In today's vlog, we are having a Eurotour. Our first leg is Oslo, Norway. And we are now heading to Amsterdam. And this is gonna be fun. Stay tuned guys at samahan niyo ako sa aking paglalakbay. I'll see you again later. So basically our plan is from Oslo to Amsterdam and to Luxembourg and then to Frankfurt, Germany. So guys, if you are planning to take the Eurotour, suggest take the train from Amsterdam to Germany. The price is reasonable for a wonderful and memorable experience. If you are not subscribed yet to my channel, please do so for more travel and adventure vlogs. We have arrived here in Amsterdam. Our first pit stop. Amsterdam airport is quite big, guys. It's equipped with good signage and direction. You won't get lost. Shall we take this car? Guys, we are here in Amsterdam now, and here is our first leg towards Frankfurt, Germany. Okay. Thank you.
Wow.
Beautiful. This is the Canal Cruise area where you can enjoy boat rides. This is the place, guys. On this side, it's beautiful. Guys, this is the Rijksmuseum. Look at that. It's wow. It's a wow. Hi. It's a wow, guys. It's a huge. You can find shopping center. What do we expect? Look at this. There you go. They have this museum shop where you can find your souvenirs. Looking around, this place is just cozy and beautiful. It's really beautiful, guys. Look at that. Ooh, amazing. Guys, look at this. It's paradise. It's the Garden of Eve. Look at this side, the Rijksmuseum. Oh, beautiful. Wow. Hey guys! Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa kanal. Well guys, what an amazing view here. It's really, hello. Yeah, look at this beautiful spot here. Here's the mansion. Welcome guys. So guys, we are here in Amsterdam and this is one of the most popular spot where you can see this boat ride here. Look at that. Hello. Okay. Walking down here. Hey guys. Enjoy the beautiful view here. Look at that. Nice. And it's perfect because look at this trees around. It's green. This is a perfect place to unwind. Beautiful. This is now the central station where you can see this beautiful park here as well. Look at that. And look at this. Yes. Alright guys, this is the central station. Look at this. Beautiful. There you go. Wow. Really nice. Look at the subtle of the city. Beautiful. You can see this beautiful architecture. Look at that. Wow. Nice. And so if you want to take this boat ride, you can try this one. Beautiful. Nice. Beautiful. Sightseeing along the Zaanse. This is Koger Tunnel. If you're heading to Zaanse Schans, take this road. And from here you will see the station Strat 80. Let's go guys. Guys, we are heading to Schans. Do you know this iconic Netherlands symbol? Look at this beautiful windmill. Only here in Netherlands. So they have this cafe here. Look at this beautiful. Ooh. Nice. So guys, this is now the Schans, and if you see, really beautiful, you know, it's really amazing. And look at that. Wow, this is perfect. It's a perfect place. It's beautiful. It's everything is wonderful. Everything is oh, really nice. There you go. And if you enter here, you will see the largest one there. Wow. I am amazed. I'm amazed with the beauty of this place. Hi. Look at that. Come on. Hello. Hi guys. Hello. Alright, so here we are. We are now, look at that. Oh. What? Okay, look at this, guys. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. And here's the other side. Wow, really nice. Look at that. Perfect. It's perfect. Zaanse. If you're planning to visit this place, guys, from Amsterdam Central, you can take this sprinter, and it only take like 14 minutes by train, and you'll get to enjoy the beauty of this place. Wow. It's good to be alone if you want to, you know, just enjoy. And if you are so stressed, I mean, there you go. This actually is it's one of their oldest you know, windmill in the world. They preserve it, and here actually you can get your chocolate. It's hot chocolate over here. Wow, this is cool. Look at that. Welcome the cut. Really nice. Here you can try their delicious, freshly brewed chocolate drinks. Huwag kayo magtaka, guys. Nako, sarap dito. So guys, I hope you enjoy the view. So please don't forget to subscribe. See you again next time, guys. Bye.